Zaid, I imagined a big group of people throwing their masks in the air, celebrating the end of the pandemic. After that, I imagined that I was in Hajj with my family and friends.
Aw, how great it would be for that to happen, and how beautiful is Hajj. It reminds me of the story of Fatah Mecca. After the victory in Mecca, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, performed Hajj. Yes, sir, our lesson today is about Surat Al Nasr, which is about Fatah Mecca.
Let's go to the masjid to thank Allah and remember Him for our blessings. Let's
go!
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, reciters of the Quran. Let's review together that the lam in word Allah becomes heavy if a dhamma or fatha comes before it, and it remains light if it follows a kasra. Let's practice reciting the lam correctly in Surat Al Nasr together. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله. Here the lam in Allah stays light because the previous word ends with a kasra. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح نصر الله. Here we make the lam heavy because the word Allah comes after a dhamma. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا في دين الله. Here the word Allah comes after a kasra, so we keep the lam light and we say وَرَأَيْتَ النَّاسَ يَدْخُلُونَ فِي دِينِ اللَّهِ أَفْوَاجًا فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَاسْتَغْفِرْهُ إِنَّهُ كَانَ تَوَّابًا صدق الله العظيم. And now it's your turn, reciters of the Quran. Practice reciting this surah the correct way. Barakallahu bikum, you've earned 3 shining stars.